2 right? So currently we've already upgraded the Purple Enterprise 2018 or 1.9, which sort of I believe removes that deprecated command issue. And also notice that when we upgraded in 2018 the 1.7, when we're trying to do the pre-upgrade on that version, it sort of affected the HA replica. I don't know if anyone has seen that. It disconnected the HA replica from the MOM, and we started getting errors around duplicated parameters and things like that. And I had to remove a particular class in order to resolve that. But eventually, now that we've upgraded to 1.9, the HA stays intact. They didn't affect it at all. It was just seamless. So that's one thing I just want to call out. And so, right, future plans. We've been using Enterprise now for, let's say, about a year, so there's still a lot of stuff we want to do. The first phase of the project is called Tactical Max Solution. So it's just to sort of a test run, to start, go through challenges and see how we can make things better when we get to them. So we have a strategic solution, which we're going to be doing. That might involve more coverage, and I intend to start using IRA for that. For the next phase, we might build an infrastructure. We might just need to maybe clone the VMs that we have now so they can retain the configurations and things like that. We intend to leverage on CD4PE. We just had a training on that of recent, so we might be using that. Puppet Bolt and Task is something that definitely is quite useful. I took advantage of it before we even, I think at the initiation stage of the project, but it didn't really work for me because it was failing to install the agent scripts. The Bolt was able to deliver the PS1 file to the target server, but wasn't able to execute it. But I think the advantage now, I believe that BT would allow me to use it, because at that time we had security sort of challenges as well, is because the Bolt can now use the PCP protocol for the agent for the communication, so that's better. So that's it. This is a bonus slide for those who are maybe involved in a PCI project. I just put something here because I love documenting as well. I've written over 50 documents for my infrastructure. So these are the sort of guidelines if you want to create proper documents. You can have this document, you can have a category for configuration documents, you can have all of those stuff in there. Design document and networks, operational document, patching, and then your root cause analysis. And you can have them like that, so it makes it easier for people to look at it. And then the PCI consultant also likes it like this as well. So that's it from me. Thank you.